This is how to install the Makah keyboard for smartphones. I'm using a Samsung Android phone, but the steps should be similar on an iPhone. First, open the App Store. Then search for the app Keyman. It should give you this app with the multicolored key icon. Go ahead and install that, and wait for that to install. Once installed, open Keyman. It should give you a Getting Started screen, and the first step says Add a keyboard for your language. So I'm going to go ahead and tap that. And then tap Install from Keyman.com. And it will give you this box up here to search for a keyboard, and I'm just going to type Makah and search. So the first thing that should show up is Makah. In small letters, it should say NRC_Makah. This is the keyboard. So tap that, and then tap Install Keyboard. Now wait for it to download. It will give you the screen. Click Install. Now it will give you this help page. This teaches you how to use the keyboard, but we're going to skip it for now. So go ahead and press OK. And that's it. You have a Makah keyboard where you can type in Makah, you can get superscripts, all that kind of stuff. I will cover how to use this in a different video. But now we need to enable it as a system-wide keyboard so that you can use it while texting or in literally any other app. So while in the Keyman app, press the 3 dots and then press Settings. Now tap on Enable Keyman as a system-wide keyboard. And then hit the toggle. Now it might give you this warning message that Keyman is capable of collecting all the text that you type, but you can dismiss this warning. Keyman does not store any of the keys that you type, so this isn't an issue. So go ahead and press OK. And it says no app reboot. This app can't start until you unlock your phone. That's okay. So now you can press back, you can exit out of Keyman, and you can open any other app, like say your text messaging app. So I'm going to start a new message thread. And when your keyboard shows up, notice how it's not the Makah keyboard. You have to switch over to Keyman. So the way to do that on my phone is I have a little keyboard icon on the lower right-hand side of the phone. For some people, this is actually a banner that appears in your notification bar. But for me, it's this icon in the corner. So I'm going to press that, and it will give me a screen that says Select Keyboard. And I just use Keyman. And that's it. Now you can write in Makah in any app on your phone.